Proper maintenance not only keeps equipment functioning optimally, but also helps increase fuel efficiency. You're not using low-quality fuel that contains foreign substances or moisture, are you? Using low-quality fuel will lead to a large decline in fuel efficiency, and it can also cause incidental contamination or breakdowns in core engine parts. Make absolutely sure that you use good fuel, even if it's just to increase fuel efficiency. Taking care of good fuel is just as important as using it, right? Don't forget to replenish your fuel frequently. Check the fuel-water separator and discharge water before starting the engine. If the grease in each rotational part of the front runs out, a breakdown may occur due to internal part abrasion or heat. Furthermore, fuel efficiency will decline. Therefore, before operating the excavator, it is important to inspect the front and replenish the grease according to the maintenance cycle every morning. Inspect each area of the front and replenish the grease as per the inspection intervals recommended by Doosan. The periodic inspection and replacement of each filter type not only increases the lifespan of core parts of the engine, hydraulic pump, and various different motor types, but is also closely connected to increasing fuel efficiency as well. Be sure to use Doosan's original parts for the various different types of filter according to the set cycle. What happens if foreign substances get caught in various kinds of coolers? Fuel efficiency decreases and cooling performance falls with it. Furthermore, the increase in the fan's load causes a 3 to 4% drop in fuel efficiency. Make sure to always keep your cooler clean and free of foreign substances. You can keep your machine in an optimal state. Remembering these maintenance tips and handling methods provided by Doosan will make a big difference in your machine's lifespan and efficiency.